you're hearing it, it's me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, we can move the mics like off to the side because obviously they pick up good enough. Okay. So wait up here because I want to get a film of you guys coming down. See, I'm not using any brakes. I'm just letting the engine compression pull me down first gear. And there's this really muddy ass spot right here. I'm staying kind of to the left. And actually, I am now gonna pull off halfway down to the right and just watch you guys coming down.
I see it. Here we come.
Avoid all temptation for front brake.
Better get my hand off it then, huh?
Yeah, stand on them pegs. Let your legs be shock absorbers. Just let it crawl. Put your weight back. Just look way ahead. Fuck that rear thing. Would you stall it? In Massachusetts.
How's Dennis doing?
He's doing pretty good. Let it roll, Dan. Let the engine brake it. See, because part of the thing with just letting the engine brake it and not worrying about the brake or nothing is right now when I'm going down, I got my hand just curled forward on the throttle. I don't have to worry about throttle control. I also have my feet splayed out on the pegs, so I don't have to worry about the brake or nothing. All I have to worry about is balancing, keeping my weight real even, and just letting the bike pick a path down.
My first tunnel.
Yay! Oh, this is good. You guys can stay in front because I can guide you my voice to sleep. Nail this funnel. Woo! Whoa! That fucker is deep.
You gotta move your mouth so you get some shot.
Yep. I'll try and breathe through my nose.
Can you hear me breathing?
Yeah.
Bad?
Not bad. So up here, where the road comes to a T, just stay to the right.
Yeah, I have to keep my shifter higher still.
Yeah, not now.
Trying to shift it for a second.
Stay to the right and be aware of those blind corners of fucking four-wheel drive stuff. Oh, nice. Oh, we gotta get Dennis on intercom too. Nice. Good. Surprisingly, that muddy water tastes pretty clean. I got some in my fucking mouth. Oh, nice. Dennis at the deepest part of that mud puddle. Oh, and up here on the left, you'll see a little, like a little pull-off mining area kind of a thing. When the not here, but steep further. Not here.
I must have a little slip up in my foot.
motor's too big. It's touchy. I think you pretty much don't want your front brake today at all. It's the opposite of everything you learned for the road. For up or down? Right here, yeah. Now here is just a cool little place. You gotta use your signal so this guy can see behind you. This is just a cool place to just practice a little climb, and then don't go too far because there's a big hill on the other side. So you can just go up, go easy at the top, and then go around.
Where you going?
I'm just going around. I'm just having you try and climb.
Oh, you want to go down there?
Yeah.
Come back for you?
Yeah, come on. I was just having you guys do a little beginner thing. That
Oh, I thought you wanted to go down there. All right.
it's a little too gnarly. You guys will be sliding the front out.
Gnarly. I gotta get ready for next week first.
Yeah, well, Dennis is first time here, ever. We'll go back up the road. We'll get to the rocky shit by the power lines. Good job. Oh yeah. It's not terrible though, I've seen worse. Well, my 250 last year before I put a new shock in the back like that was worse. It's not just bouncing, it's got some damage. I read about them last night. They don't have any compression or rebound adjustment, just preload, stock shock. And some people actually switch them to the shock on my bike, the DRZ 400 one, because it's got those adjustments. But even so, it's got a 6.5 kilogram spring. And for his weight, I looked it up, he should have an 8.5 kilogram spring. And then there's people who can rebuild it and put a lot more damping and stuff in. So even though you can't adjust it, you know, you got a good place to start off with. The problem with putting the shock from my bike on there is the bottom mount is not the same. You got to tap and drill it so that drill and tap it so that the screw gets to the bottom. Whoa! Shit! Shit's slippery. Are you alright? Say something. Oh shit. Yeah, you hit your ribs? Stay still.